how to make your first $2,500 per week with affiliate marketing promoting coffee machines. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can replicate, right, the same step-by-step method. As you can see over here, right, we had orders over here, visitors 1,045 orders for $2,595 price of the machines, right? So you can see over here the earnings, $8,100 at 4.5 conversion rate, and earnings per click was $8, right? So this is very, very high. Why I'm showing you this is because I want to tell you that if you're an affiliate looking for ClickBank, MaxWeb, info products, digital courses, or whatever to promote, there are other niches where you can make a lot of money, especially in less competitive niches. Of course, if you're an affiliate marketer and you know what you're doing, you can make really, really good profit. So let me show you where you can find me later. You can find me over here or my Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, right? So all the links are going to be in the description below. But now I'm going to show you exactly how this is done, right? How exactly you can go from zero to making thousands of dollars per week with affiliate marketing, promoting physical products such as coffee machines in this case. Let's go straight into it. Over here you can see, right? So those are the machines you can find online, right? So you can see the prices are from 1,000 euros all the way up to almost 5,000 euros. Now maybe you're thinking, okay, so who can be the buyer? Who are the buyers? Now, the buyers can be segmented into the different categories. For example, do you know anyone who owns a coffee machine at home, right? Maybe you don't, maybe someone else does, right? You have coffee shops, you have at-home machines, espresso machines, right? So there is so many machines that you can promote online without owning them. So you're basically a middleman, you're an affiliate promoting them. So what you have to do is, what you have to understand, let me show you over here, is the audience level of intent. What do I mean? If there is someone, this is very easy here. Why? Because if you're selling weight loss supplements, it's different thing, right? You have to tap into emotions. With coffee machines, it's different. You don't have to do all this hard work at all. Why? Because there is no emotion connected to it. That's just a buyer's intent. People have a decision, they go maybe look on a review page about the product they are buying, like coffee machines, right? Or they go just on Google, search for the machine, and then see your ad and buy from your ads. Now, of course, you have to know what you're doing. What is your copy, ad copy, and things like that. So ads in front of people with intent means sales, and ads in front of people with zero intent, it's no sales. All right. So let's do the math. If your goal is, let's say, if your goal is to make only one sale a day, right? It means that on 7 to 10%, in this case only 7% affiliate commissions, you would earn $181 per day. That's let's say 5,500 US dollars per month in income from one coffee machine, right? Keep in mind, you can promote, in this case, as only middle priced, which was $2,500, but there are people who are paying $8,000, $9,000, or even more for espresso machines. So in that case, your affiliate commission can be double or triple for one sale. Okay, so let's say you have 2 orders per day, right? Only 2 orders. You're earning almost $400 a day, which is $10,900 per month. What you could do with extra $10,000 per month or $8,000 per month, right? Or if you have 3 orders, you can earn $544 per day, which is $16,300 US dollars per month. Again, ask yourself what you could do with extra $16,000 US dollars per month in income. Again, you don't have to show your face. You don't have to put out your name, okay? As I'm doing here to showing you right now. No, you have a simple blog, simple website that is all done for you. So if you have someone who can help you along one-on-one, step-by-step, and hand-holding you, then of course you can get this kind of results or even better. So, okay, what is missing? What is actually missing is if you want to become a great marketer, if you want to make great money, right, selling, promoting physical products online, then you need to have someone, as I said before, if you remember, to help you step-by-step along the way, right? Because if you have a mentorship, if you have someone who can help you along the way, then you can fast forward your results. And once you have someone who can help you, then you can get results, and let's say in this case in a week, right? And even though if you're making just $2,000 per week in the first week, 2,000, in second week 4,000, right? And third week 3,000. You're making $10,000 per month in 3 weeks. So it's doable because again, it's low competition. Everyone is after weight loss supplements, diabetes, high blood sugar pills and stuff like that, right? So this is really low competition because you just do the opposite of what everyone else is doing, and you can make good money without worrying your ad account is going to get shut down and that you're doing something that will get you in trouble. No, you're simply promoting product that people use and are happy to use, and then you have passive income, repeat buyers, and huge upsell take rate. So as you can see, some of the students, okay, this was in ClickBank, stay-at-home mom, right? $35,000 in 30 days. So all this is possible if you have, again, if you have someone who can help you along the way, right? So what you can do next, over here you can connect with me one-on-one. All the links are below in the description. I have my Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, email. Again, click the links below. You can like this video, leave a comment, or you can just subscribe now to this YouTube channel for more helpful tips. But again, if you want to make money with physical products without showing your face, maybe spending 20 to 30 minutes a day setting up Google ad campaign or Facebook ad campaigns, let me know. We can connect together, but only if you're serious, if you really want to have serious results and get something done.